Where are you climbing?
On rocks,
On
driving
the
a
rock.
I'm
Driving your
driving.
monster truck? That's a cool one. Does he have a name?
Taxi.
Taxi. Taxi monster truck.
Then whoever wants a taxi, they'll get crushed.
They get crushed by this one. It's a cool one. Yeah. What? Are you? Oh no, there's a monster truck behind you. The scary one that looks like fish. What do you do with it? You're feeding him? What? Feeding rocks and stones.
It's not bad, guys. It's a good guy.
He's a good guy. All right. How did this crash happen, Tim?
He fell off the rocks.
Fell off the rocks.
And he's a bad guy.
Whoa!
My
Yay.
mom
Where is it going? Where's the monjam going? They're all stuck in rocks. I don't know if they can make it. Oh! That one went flying. What? Crushing. Whoa, my goodness. It went all the way there. You need to walk really careful because that's danger zone. Hand. And rescue. Oh! You're falling. You're right. The bad guy. All right. Where's the bad guy going now?
I'm stuck.
You stuck. You need to get out. You need to get out somehow. That's donuts. Whoa, this guy. What's going on over there? He's under the rock. Tommy. Who's going to rescue it? Going to crush? What? Wow. Whoa, it went flying in the air. Show me yours. Ooh. Going up the hill, that's not easy. Go for it. Yay. Whoa. That's a crazy crush.